Hi Manuel. In this video I would like to give you a small update regarding our hand plates, regard kit for hand plates and other questions. Yes, also I would like to ask you some questions regarding kit for new hand plates. Yes, maybe tomorrow we will be able to discuss it by our usual R&D meeting. Please check it from your side. Is it possible for you? Okay. So for now, maybe you remember for example, we have plate, yes. You maybe remember we for uh, previously for 1.2 plates, yes, we added holes, yes, for laser cutting process, holes like we will have in final design of plate. So actually we made this for 1.2 plates. We already did this, yes. Tomorrow or today I will make same for 0.8 plates. Yes, it's just for your information. Let's move next. Maybe you remember, Manuel, you said that catalog numbers that remains after we actually remains catalog numbers, yes, remains plates that we didn't use for KLS Martin design, we need also adapt to KLS Martin design. Yes, so please look, I'm actually this is remaining catalog numbers, remaining plates for 0.8 plates, and you see I marked this. I'm already adapted this design to KLS Martin design. So you see we have only this remaining catalog number for 0.8 plate. I do not see I do not see that we need to use this plate also in new design, because we already have this plate. So actually disregard 0.8 plates. Please check this file. This all maybe I am talking too fast, but I would like to save some time. Okay. No, why it is not working? Okay, it's working. Not this. Okay, sorry, not yeah, this file. So Manuel, you see this remaining this catalog numbers was remains after we performed a new design. Yes, and you see I am also we already using sorry I am also adapted all these plates to new design. So actually we already using all this in our new design, all these catalog numbers. Actually this regarding 1.2 hand plates, yes. And you see we have only this, actually we have only two plates, only two catalog numbers that we are not using in new design. Why? Because you see it's for holes, and we already have this plate here, so I do not see that we need to, I do not think that we need to use this, but we still have two catalog numbers for 1.2 plates and one catalog number for, actually old catalog number for 0.8 plates. It's also just your information. This is second topic that I would like to give you information about it. Okay. And let's now go to kit, yes, to new kit. You see this, actually I'm already put it our new hand plates to the kit. Actually it's very raw, very conceptual design, yes. You see this is tray with 0. This is tray with 0.8 plates, yes. This is tray, sorry, maybe for slow PC, yes, this is tray for 1.2 plate, yes. And we still have plates, these hooks I heard from Lara that these hooks we will remove from hand system, we will put it to King Kong system, so please do not look on this. And you see we need also third tray where we have 0.8 plates and where we have 1.2 plates. And let's go to screws. You see, Manuel, here I think it's not a problem, but we have a lot of screws. We have 3 screws, 3 different diameters standard screws, and we have 3 different diameters locking screws. And length of screws, we have a lot of screws from 5 millimeter to 30 millimeters. Yes, and I see that we need to use 4 trays. Yes, in one tray we put all in one tray. I will open the sketch. Actually, I see 2 directions. Please, can you check this sketch together with me? Maybe you will have some remarks from your side. Also, we can discuss it tomorrow. So you see, I see option 1 where we have big tray. Yes, not a tray, big kit. We can put one tray with 0.8, one tray with 1.2 plates in one combined, let's call it combined tray, where we have remained 1.2 and 0.8 plates. And we have, you see, we can use 2 trays with standard and locking screws. In these trays we can put 1.5, 2.0 and 2.3 screws, and we can use one tray for length 15 millimeters, yes, and two trays with screw lengths from 16 to 30 millimeters. Yes, you see, totally we will have trays with screws 4, quantity 4, yes, trays with plates 3. From one side we have benefit. Yes, we have big tray, we have all we have plates and screws all in one tray. But from another side I see some maybe not disadvantage, maybe a lot of elements inside, so doctor will need to search some plates. For example, he need one plate, he need to do a lot of, maybe he will need a lot of time to search to find a correct screw, yes, and correct plate. So actually, based on this, I see another option. Manuel, please can you check it from your side? Maybe we can use another option. You see, for example, we can use a smaller, yes, we can use 2 smaller kits. So for example, one kit for 0.8 plates and one kit for 1.2 plates. So you see, we have no enough place in one tray for all, for example, 0.8 plates, so we'll need 2 trays. And you see here what I suggest, we can use one tray with these screws, of course, 1.5, 2.0, 2.3 standard, and same for locking. And same actually another tray, yes. And what difference, not a difference, what remarkable features or what is remarkable elements in this design? Tray with screws from 16 to 30 millimeters. We will need to put screws here horizontally. Yes, now I put it here vertically, but we have no place to put all the trays here in the kit. So it just to your information, we will need to put screws horizontally, long screws. Yes, these screws can be vertically, these screws need to be horizontally, and this also actual for this big tray. Okay, and also my note, just a remark from my side. Yes, for small, if we will choose option 2, yes, I think this also have some benefits. This option, we have more smaller trays, yes, where a doctor can find more faster necessary screw, and where a doctor can find more faster correct plates that he need and correct screws that he need. And I will draw something. You see, usually we are using 5 screws. Yes, in tray with screws we are using 5 screws. Yes, I will do like this. You see, I will make this like this. So usually we are using 5 screws, yes, for each length. So for example, length 5, yes, and we have 5 screws. In small it's only it's only related to these small kits. What I suggest, we will not be able to put all the screws in this one kit, small kit. What I suggest, maybe you see, maybe we can try to use not a 3 but maybe not like this. Oh, sorry. We can use like this, maybe 3 screws. Yes, I will draw. I think you will understand what I mean. You see, for example, 3. Yes, and we can put screws tightly to each other. Yes, like this, and we will have, you see, this is tray with locking screw, and we will have place for, we will have additional place, sorry, okay, like this. So what I mean, we will have additional free area, yes, for putting here, for placing here standard screws. So please, can you check it from your side? This, I think this can be good option to say, to win some free space in the tray. Yes, and like this we can organize, two small trays. Yes, with 0.8 and 1.2 screws. So Manuel, please, can you check this video? I think you understood what I meant. Yes, I see 2 options of kits that we can create. Maybe you would like to create both options. Yes, I think this is a good option. Also, we can create one big tray where we have all plates inside and all screws inside, and we can create 2 small kits. Yes, actually this one big kit and this 2 small kits where we will have 0.8, yes, and 1.2 screws. Actually, this is all that I would like to say you in this video. Thank you.